Let's learn homophones loan. First being LOAN loan, meaning a sum of money borrowed typically with interest. ऋण है ना, ऋण लेना जिसे कहते हैं. यूजली वी टेक इट फ्रॉम द बैंक, जिसका हमें इंटरेस्ट भी पे करना होता है ना. एग्जाम्पल, I took a loan from the bank to buy a car. ओके, मतलब कार खरीदने के लिए मैंने बैंक से ऋण लिया, या I took a loan from the bank. That is LOAN loan, and it is a noun. Then second being LONE loan. It is an adjective and meanings lonely word इसी से बना है, मतलब single, अकेला, solitary. Example, the lone traveler walked through the desert. मतलब अकेला यात्री रेगिस्तान में चलता रहा. So hope now you got the difference in between the two loan, that is LOAN loan is a ऋण and LONE is a lonely या single. चलिए थोड़ा सा और डिफरेंस हम बताते हैं. डिफरेंस इन बिटवीन LOAN लोन एंड बोरो, उधार लेना. ओके, चलिए लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड difference in between the two. Loan is used from the perspective of the person. मतलब borrow मतलब giving someone being lent. Okay, और loan means receiving something या कर्ज लेना. Okay, उधार लेना, कर्ज लेना, and loan is especially with the interest. Borrow is not all the time paying back with the interest. ठीक है. So now you can communicate more clearly and more precisely. Okay, hope now you got the difference in between both the loan and also between loan and borrow. Keep on watching, keep on tuned. Bye.